Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Fort Gratiot Township, Michigan, a small community just north of Fort Huron along the shores of Lake Huron. This area is known for its mix of beautiful waterfront, open countryside, and growing neighborhoods. The township takes its name from Fort Gratiot, a military outpost built in the year 1816 to protect the southern end of Lake Huron and the entrance to the St. Clair River. That fort was named in honor of Colonel Charles Gratiot, an engineer in the U.S. Army. Over the years, Fort Gratiot Township grew from farmland and small settlements into a thriving community with shopping, schools, and plenty of recreation. Lake Huron's sandy beaches and parks make it a popular spot for families and visitors in the summer. Whether you're here to explore the lake shore, learn about its history, or simply enjoy small-town Michigan life, Fort Gratiot Township has something special waiting for you. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Fort Gratiot Township, Michigan. watching!